Hello poultry enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Feathered-Legged Light Brahma Roosters, an enchanting and stately chicken breed known for its striking appearance and gentle demeanor. These remarkable birds have unique characteristics and requirements for successful rearing, but before we dive into this exciting journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of poultry. Feathered-Legged Light Brahma Roosters are a breed with a rich history. They originated in the United States in the mid-19th century, inspired by chickens from the Brahmaputra region in India. These roosters are a variety of Brahma's breed, cherished for their distinctive appearance and friendly temperament. They hold a special place in the hearts of poultry enthusiasts. Feathered-Legged Light Brahma Roosters are known for their grand and majestic build. They feature abundant feathering on their legs, giving them a unique and regal appearance. Their plumage is predominantly white with gray or black markings, and they have a small single comb and wattles. These roosters are large and impressive with a calm and gentle disposition. To successfully raise and care for these roosters, it's important to provide them with the right growing conditions. They thrive in a spacious coop with good ventilation. Adequate space and cleanliness are essential to prevent feather-related health issues. These roosters are hardy and adaptable to various climates, but they should be protected from extreme cold or heat. Providing access to clean and fresh water and a balanced diet is crucial to support their overall well-being. These roosters generally have a calm and friendly disposition, making them compatible with other chicken breeds and poultry species. They are known for their docile nature and often serve as peacemakers in the flock. These roosters serve various purposes in the backyard flocks. While they may not be prolific egg layers, they are excellent protectors for the flock and sounding alarms in case of danger. Their majestic appearance and gentle demeanor also make them popular for exhibition and poultry shows. In conclusion, Feathered-Legged Light Brahma Roosters are an enchanting and stately addition to any poultry enthusiast flock. Their history, distinctive appearance, and friendly nature make them a beloved choice among chicken keepers. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of poultry on our channel.